Okay, these are the Rough Country heavy duty floor mats for my Dodge Ram 1500. I've got a 2015. These will fit the 2012 to 18. I also have the full length floor console. This is what they look like out of the box. Very nice material, very heavy duty. I've already installed these once. I just pulled them out to do this video on how to put them in. Just going to save everybody some time. This is the box it comes in. They wrap it really nice with plastics, and everything came in good shape. So first thing you're going to want to do is just flip your seats up. It'll be a little bit easier access to get to the floor here. And then I'm going to move both seats all the way forward. Alright, so I'm going to put the back in first. I think the easiest way is probably just to go the front in and kind of downward first. It's all fit to the grooves. She might feel like it's a little snug, but she'll form perfectly into shape once it's all set. Let's sit here a while. There she is. This side's pretty much in. She comes all the way down out to the door jamb, which is really nice. And as you can see, it's nice. Everything's form fitted just like it should. Now this part here I was a little concerned about, but it seems to be doing okay. I might take this console and lift it up a little bit and tuck this under. I don't know yet. Or I might just cut this so it just perfectly fits in there. It does seem to push up a little bit, but it's not bad. I can live with it. And then we just put the seats right back down. And we are all set. She looks really nice. I'm very happy with it. Okay, next I'm going to move both seats all the way back, and we'll put the front ones in. Now what I did in the front here is I went ahead and removed both front carpets, so that way these heavy duty floor mats can fit in here and they'll tie right to these anchors. And so these just slide in just like the backs. Just kind of, I put the front down forward in first and just get these hooks into these eyelets, and it's all set. And I got the eyelets in on the anchors here, anchor points. You got to kind of tuck them in there and then kind of wiggle them around. They are kind of a tight fit, but they should be. And this thing is really secure. It's not going anywhere. And we're going to do the passenger side now. Same thing here. Just kind of tuck that forward. End in first. And everything lines up again with these anchor points. And it's going to take me to use both hands to kind of wiggle them on there, but they do anchor right in those eyelets. And everything fits nice and secure. And one last look. This is what they look like. This is the driver's side. Very nice. Form-fitting. Everything's just awesome on these things. I love them. Passenger side. Again, right to the edge, right to the door sill. Everything's going to catch everything on those mats. And in the back, again, one more time. Very nice. I'm loving these things. I think I've already said that about 3 times now. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good day.